Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap. So as you can see here, we've got the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, in my case, it is almost 2 hours, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then unlocks, notifications, etc. So if you'd like to check some further details, you can either tap on View App Activity Details. Your device will transfer you to the app activity details. You can tap inside this graph and you will have the same result, so it's up to you. Basically, you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Your device will also show you the list of apps that you've been using with specific time you've spent on them, which is nice. You can also change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And of course, if you'd like to check some more information about the specific app, you can tap on it, and again you will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We've got also ways to disconnect. However, I will not explain all of them, maybe app timers. Let's tap on it. So if you decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, I highly recommend to simply find it in the list. So let me choose the camera and tap on this hourglass icon. So we can set the timer, for example, for 30 minutes. And it basically means that I will be able to use the app for 30 minutes during a day, for example, today. And after that time, the app will be blocked. The timer will reset at midnight, and tomorrow I will be able to use it for 30 minutes again, which is quite nice to limit the time. Of course, we can set it for 0 minutes also. Tap on OK, and our device will immediately block the app. As you can see, it is grayed out completely, and after trying to open it, I've got this information that the timer ran out. Obviously, it didn't, because we've got it on 0 minutes, but you know the whole clue. So I think maybe it is not the perfect way, but it is a great first step into trying to limit the time you're spending on the specific app. It's really nice. Of course, you can quickly turn it off. Just go to the settings and tap on this trash bin icon next to the app timer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.